Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing with you the checksum technique to detect error. Now in the checksum technique we will be given a set of data. For example, so like this, some sets of data will be given and we have to perform the checksum technique to detect whether there is any error while transmission of the data or not. Okay, so what we will do, we will just add them, okay, by the technique of one's complement. So let's do that. First of all, one by one we will add. Okay, so 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 1, this will be 0 and carry 1, so 1 1 will be 0, carry 1, so 1 1 will be 0, this will be 1 and carry will be 1. So this carry we will add here. Okay, so 1, this will be 0, this will be 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, now with this we will add this one, sorry, this one we will add, so it will be 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, so 1, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0 and there will be carry 1, so 1, this will be 0, this will be 1, 0 0 1 0. Okay, and with this finally we will add this one, so 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so this will be 1 0 1 0 0 0 and there will be a 1 carry that we will add here, so 0 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, now what we will do, we will do complement of this result. Okay, so it will be 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this is our checksum. Okay, so this is our checksum. Now at the receiver's end, what we will do, we will perform the same addition up till this one. Okay, up to this one it will remain same. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be finally 0 0 0 1 1 0. Now what we will do, we are sending this checksum along with the data sets. Okay, so that means this will also be considered as a data set. Okay, so what we will do, as per the rules, as per the checksum algorithm, we will add this checksum with the resultant data. Okay, so let's see what happens. So 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this will be 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now what we will do, we will complement this data or the result. Okay, so it will become 0 0 0 0 0 0. Since this is 0, that means there is no error. Okay, so this was our checksum technique, and if by mistake or by any chance any distortion or any change occurs in the data sets in between the transmission, then this result will not come out as 0. Okay, so if this comes out to be 0, then we can say there is no error, but if this result does not comes out to be 0, then we can say that there is an error. Okay, so this was the checksum technique. Stay tuned to my channel for the next videos in this computer networks topic, and any other topic. So do subscribe to my channel to get the latest information about my videos, and like the videos and share them among your friends so that these videos could help them learn the techniques easily. Thank you.